Alright guys, welcome to another Trend Ground news video where we are going to check a little bit what is trending and groundbreaking as well. Alright, so basically Yaken here as usual, your host for today. Alright, and I'm still stuck at home. Basically I'm gonna do a lot of this news video at my home. Yeah, so let's move on to the next news. First news for today. So how many of you are actually interested to know about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip hinges? You know, the technology that is being built by Samsung with its Hideaway Hinge. Actually, if you go to the Samsung Newsroom Malaysia, alright, I'm going to post the link at the description down there. Basically, it uses a dual cam mechanism. Okay, so in this newsroom, the part one of the secret about Samsung Galaxy Z Flip's Hideaway Hinge, yeah, it really tells you how does it work, you know, the hinges. This dual cam mechanism, yeah, is totally supporting the whole smartphone's hinges, which is really good, and you should like really check out the GIF images that's being posted there. It shows you how does the mechanism works, you know. Head over there and check it out. Next news, let's go over a little bit on the entertainment and automotive. So recently Hyundai and Sony Pictures Entertainment, they have just announced they will be collaborating together, so they will partner up together. So you can expect a lot of like in the upcoming Sony Pictures Entertainment film, there will be appearing a lot of Hyundai vehicles in these films. Alright, so some of the film that is included will appear all these Hyundai car is the Uncharted. Alright, yeah, it's this game on the PlayStation. The film will be expecting on July 2021. So the next film is sequel to Spider-Man Far From Home on the November 2021. Yep, so there will be a sequel. So again, you will be able to see a lot of Hyundai cars in it as well. And one of the including film Hyundai cars will be appearing is the sequel to Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse, which will be expected to release on the October 2022. This partnership, it will be also not only just appearing in the film, so it will be also coming into like virtual reality and gaming experiences as well. There will be a lot of things they will be working together, so you don't just only see the Hyundai cars appearing in just the film. Yeah, so it's a good collaboration. To the next news, let's talk a little bit on the sportswear. So recently Puma has just signed a long-term partnership with Iceland football team. Yes, Football Association of Iceland. So they will be like sponsoring the men's, women's and youth team on the football's side. So yeah, Iceland will be wearing all the Puma wears. They will be joining other national teams such as Italy, Austria, Serbia, Switzerland and Czech Republic. Okay, so final news for today is Lenovo Malaysia is bringing all the AMD powered processor to their Legion lineup. Yeah, so they will be doing a lot of pre-ordering in the coming days. It will be a very good deal. So you can expect for this at the moment the Legion 5, Legion 5i, Legion 5Pi, Legion 7i, Legion Tower 5i and IdeaPad Gaming 3i to like available to pre-order during this period. Okay, so all the models will be available on the June 2020, except for Legion 7i, Legion Tower 5i, and IdeaPad Gaming 3i. However, Lenovo Malaysia say that yeah, it will be coming sometime in the later in 2020. So basically, why there is this I suffix is appearing on some of the Legion laptop is because it's actually Intel powered. So for those that is AMD powered, they will not have the I letter at behind. So according to Lenovo Malaysia, the Legion 5 will be pricing from 3,599 ringgit, while the Legion 5i, that means the Intel powered, will have a starting price of 4,199 ringgit Malaysia. So the Legion pre-order site also announced that if you pre-order right now, you can enjoy like free gifts as well, worth up to 5,436 ringgit. Alright, so the pre-order period is on the 1st June till 15 June 2020. So if you really wanted to get a new AMD gaming laptop, or perhaps an Intel one, look out for the Legion pre-orders. Alright, so that's all for the news for today. As always, please subscribe to my channel, give us thumbs up, and perhaps share it if you think it's good, and drop some comments, you know, maybe like what you think about the deals, what's going on, all the things and so on. Alright, hopefully to catch you all guys on the next video.